Let's talk about topic today. You need to choose a topic, and you need to choose a topic that is wide, because if you choose a topic that is too narrow, like a little bit tiny niche, you don't have enough content to create that can cover that topic for many years and months. Let's say, for example, if you have to do a blog, you have to write a lot of articles. You maybe need to write 100 or 200 articles over the following years. And if you have chosen a too narrow niche, you won't be able to create 200 articles because you just run out of words to explain your little niche. The reason why you have to create such a big amount of words and articles is because you want Google to index your content. And when Google indexes your content, it will show up in the search results. Maybe not on page 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 in the first long time. But it will show up depending on how big your content is, your title on your page, for example, your meta description for that blog post. You can build internal links to make your page go higher up in Google. Google loves internal links, like a guide to index the pages and a guide to the reader where to go. But another good thing you can do when you come to creating that content at some point is also start building backlinks to your pages on certain keywords. This is definitely going to kickstart your page and boost it. But first, you need to choose your topic, your niche, your subject, whatever you call it. And I, for example, is writing on a blog at the moment. It's about fitness equipment. And I'm making one article per day. So when you choose your topic, you should try and look for something personal. What means something for you, and what do you have insights in? What can you write about to teach other followers or give them some value? What can you do for them? If you are interested in some topic but you are not experienced in that topic, you can start by researching. Do a lot of research, and then you become more and more knowledge about that topic. And then you can start telling or video or other followers about something, because there's always someone who are not on the same level of you. So if you start by researching a topic, suddenly you know more about a lot of other people on that topic. So you already have a head start there. So the people that are going to follow you will be people that are not on the same level as you at that point. But the other people that know much more about this topic than you, they just skip your account and don't follow you because you don't give them any value, because they already are past that point. But there will always be someone that are at the beginner state, for example. So don't worry about competing with other YouTubers or other TikTokers, because it's the followers on these channels, and there are plenty of them who want to know what you know. If you can create content with value that brings value to these followers that they can use. So, for example, I have a blog about fitness equipment in Denmark, and I write articles about certain exercises or reviews of sports equipment, cross trainer, kettlebells, exercises, bench press, stuff like that. And I create value for people that are not that experienced in fitness at home or home gym, what exercises to do at home. So I bring value to them. So that's a nice way. And I'm making an article per day, and I'm getting more and more indexed in Google, and people are start coming to my site because there are some long tail keywords that suddenly just jumps up, and Google is indexing these sites, and they show up in the search result. So at the moment, I've only been this fitness site I'm talking about now. I've just been working on this one for like 4 weeks, but I have pages that are on page 2, like position 20 in Google at the moment, and I've only been doing this for like 4 weeks. So it's getting there. But you have to think about that when you do this. Choose a topic that you really want to write about or make video about, and it has to be in the long run, because you don't want to be bored of this. It's something that interests you. You should be writing about or blogging about or vlogging. So yeah, create your content with passion and try to give value to your followers. Then it will finally, in the long run, slowly build up. Remember, this is not a sprint. A sprint, you can win and you can get a prize. Yeah, hooray. But you can do a marathon. You can get a prize. And then they come back to you and say, hey, here's another prize. And you say, why I'm getting that prize? Yeah, because you're thinking, okay, why do I get that prize? I already finished the marathon. I got my prize. But this is how affiliate is. You build up your content. It shows in Google, and people coming back and searching, and your search results keep popping up. So they are going to your website, they are clicking, and they're reading your content. They're clicking on your links or your ads, and then they end up buying something, and then you get an affiliate money for that, your commission. So that's what I mean by saying it's a marathon where you can keep winning, even you already done the long marathon. So you have to do a lot of content. You need to do a lot of videos. You need to do a lot of articles, content for Google to index so you can show up in search results. And then when you have done that hard work for 6 months, then you could just slow down a little bit and just keep posting 1 article a day. Take it a slower pace. Just keep in and building it up slowly. So it will not be like 6 months with just constantly hard work. It will slow down a little bit and you start earning money. And then you can put more effort into the same website, or you can maybe build another one. You can maybe have a blog where you're writing articles. You can also maybe start some YouTube. You can maybe do TikTok. Some countries, they have affiliate marketing with TikTok Shop. It's not open here in Denmark yet. So you can have affiliate marketing products that are physical products. So you can use Amazon affiliate, or you can use some of these ClickBanks or Impact, or what do they call it, all of them. But you can also do digital products. Like you can find them at Digistore24, for example. You can have products that software products with recurrent commission. Let's keep going on. These are really good. I like these ones because you made a sales, but it will keep coming back and give you commission every time the affiliate customer renew the subscription you made in the initial. So that's a really nice one also. Once you reach 1,000 followers on TikTok, your link will be active. So just to sum it up, choose your niche careful. Do it with passion. It should not be too narrow. And it should also be something there's money in, because this is a business. You want to make a business. So think about that also. It cannot be too narrow, because you need to be able to write a lot about it, but you also need to earn money on it. So If you choose a topic where no one is interested in that, even if it's broad, then not so good for affiliate. Something that are really good to write about are the fitness and sports and health and wealth, money, insurance, all this. Also beauty products are also very popular. Try to choose some of this if you can mix it in somehow on your site. This will be really good also. And you can do a blog on a website. You can just buy a domain. You can choose a WordPress site. You can use AI to help you write the articles a little bit. You can make sales funnels, capture people's email and build up your whole brand and start sending out emails to your followers. You can make YouTube videos. Well, when you do the YouTube videos, you should think about, don't give up, because you can make 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 videos and not many followers, not many viewers, not many likes, but you should keep going on, and you should at least minimum post 5 YouTube videos actually before you start, make them publish. So you can publish 5 at a time, so it looks there's a lot of content there. But I started and I just started with 1, and I just upload them when I make them. So it's okay. You have to start somewhere. But yeah. But when you do the YouTube, think about that you need to make between 50 to 80 videos before you start getting some good traction. Also, you need to have 1,000 subscribers before you can get monetized, and your content need to have at least 4,000 watch hours. So you need to produce a lot of videos, and the videos on YouTube, they should not be short. They should maybe be between 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes. You can also make them 15, 20 minutes if you can. But and from that video, you can make shorts that you can post on YouTube Shorts. You can post them on Instagram Reels, and you can also post it on TikTok. So make a long one on YouTube, cut them up, and put them on Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, and on TikTok. Then you made only 1 video, but you have content for like 3, 4 channels. So that's a really good advice I want to give you there. I'm using a lot of tools for my affiliate marketing, and I'm using some software like Systeme.io. It's really perfect to make funnels. Also, InVideo, I really, really like. It's so easy to create content nowadays and to get video ideas. And vidIQ is also a very brilliant tool. You can ask them to make a script for your video with a hook and everything for YouTube. So you just need to shoot the shots, or you find the clips and put them together. So that's really, really nice also. And one thing I use a lot, because I'm blogging a lot, so it's called Koala Chat. It is koala.sh. I can use it for pictures, blogs. I can make a YouTube video into a blog post. I can translate blog post. I can make a nice long blog post with keywords that I am asking for. It's actually very, very smart. I can remember in 2011, I was making my first affiliate website, and it was also about fitness, funny enough, and fitness equipment. And I made that page in HTML and PHP. So I was coding each line and inserting every picture manual. It took me weeks and months, but I made a price comparison site, and it actually came out very popular. People could go and look for weights or kettlebells, and they could see what shop was the cheapest one, and they just go straight to that shop and buy it instead of go and check many websites themselves. So yeah, I eventually sold it to another competitor on Google, and they shut it down because it was competing with their website traffic, but it wasn't page one. And but you need to be consistent. You need to do a lot of content, and then choose your topic wisely, because you have to live with it for a long time. And go to my link on my bio. It's from Linktree. It's actually free. You can use Linktree also, and just add the links you want people to go. And I put my favorite tools: System.io, vidIQ, Koala Chat, and System.IQ. These are my favorite tools for working online with YouTube and blogging. So go and check them out. Some of them are for free. You can just test them out. And of course, there are affiliate links. So if you buy something through that link, I will get commission, of course. But that's what it's all about. We are all here for affiliate. And I'm trying to bring you value so you can build up your business and start earning money. So next time I will talk a little more about content. So stay around and follow me, subscribe, and I will make some content very shortly. Good evening.